YouTube. We just picked up a new GoPro for the channel, and yeah, let's see how this thing. Let me know how the thing look, because I just bought this, so hopefully the quality's A1, because this is the GoPro Hero 13. I had a GoPro 8, I ended up losing it, I don't know how, so I had to buy a new one. But I think this one actually has way better quality, like nicer quality at night especially. Well, enough of me talking. I'm gonna just let you guys enjoy this night POV of, you guys can see we're in the 2020 BMW X3M. And yeah, we about to go. I'll go for a little drive. And this thing has about like 20% or 24%, so hopefully the battery on this is a lot better than the old previous one I had. Obviously this one's new too, so the battery should be pretty much like it's new, so it's not as used up, so the battery should hold up a little longer. I think over the years batteries do end up draining out. But enough of me yapping, we're gonna drive. You guys can see Sport Plus right now. We're in the lowest setting for the transmission. Comfort for the ride, comfort for the steering wheel. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, we just gotta go home right now. Just want to test this out though. I want to see how the quality on this camera is, but this light is taking too long. This too as well, so you guys can see the panoramic sunroof. Turn off the AC. To see how the view looks right now, but I'm assuming it should be looking fine. little slippery, so I kind of have a little tire spin because it is raining a little bit. That's why I'm not going too low of a gear, because I'm not trying to like spin out or anything. I mean, it's kind of hard for you to spin out on the X drive, but anything's possible when it's raining. But guys, let me know in the comments if you guys like the quality on this GoPro. I also got a GoPro, not a GoPro, I also have an Insta360. So that one's more for like the 360 view for my shorts and stuff. See if you guys can hear the exhaust. Kind of windy though. Yeah, you guys are probably not gonna hear it. I can hear like little crackles in the back. This is just like stock exhaust too. I mean, you can hear the little crackles and pops from the stock tune. Yo, I can actually hear it more. I definitely like this camera. I just look back at it right now. It definitely looks nice. I might just go put my clothes to dry, and just decided to pick it up real quick. And you guys can see I got the 360 camera all around the car. If it looks a little dark, it's because I have tints around the whole car, even a windshield. So I believe, I don't know what tint the backs are. They already were tinted, but I got the 2 front and the windshield, I believe 35%. If I'm not mistaken, I think it was 35. So that's the reason why, if you guys, it looks a little dark in here. It's not the camera, it's just I have tints, and so that makes the interior seem a lot darker than it actually really is. I can still see perfectly fine, but I think I can raise the interior lighting a little bit more. I think it's just a tad bit more. Yeah, that's probably it. That shit feels nice. Yeah, make sure you comment, man. Comment down below and like the video. Make sure you guys like, man. We gotta make this money back from spending on a GoPro. I think I spent like $350 on this GoPro, so make sure you guys like the video. I greatly appreciate it. And meeting milestones, no way I'm giving all of me. She settled for a left hand with a gem over a piece of me. My mind's always as clear when she done climbing on the top of me. Really by the code, needs you to keep the same energy. I've been this in my sleep, bitch, I got your off muscle memory. Self-love gone missing, I'm right back to claims of needing you. I give you that attention that you craving, got you refueled. For real, I hope you find some sort of peace and all that meditating. I've been looking for mine inside the blood, I'm self-medicated. Bad little vibe, ride or die, she on standby. 30 from 30, I'm not missing if I'm shooting mine. All I ever did was take the risk and learn in real time. How you think I'm up right now, been living on this type of time. All I ever did was take the risk and learn in real time. How you think I'm up right now, been living on this type of time. All I ever did was take the risk and learn in real time. The world outside's on fire, niggas dying and the rent is due. When the babies learn to cock and fire back before they even get to live their truth. I think somebody God got me right, cause I don't really look like what I made it through. People from the past wonder how. Somebody tell the realest niggas this shit live inside you too. I keep a bad little vibe, ride or die, she on standby. I'm 30 for 30, I'm not missing if I'm shooting mine. All I ever did was take the risk and learn in real time. How you think I'm up right now, I'm stuck. In this real nigga renaissance. All in on myself, I treat the movement like an enterprise. Take a look around, you think we made it to the end of times. How you think I'm up right now, been living on this type of time.
little slow. Sorry, but they don't have a vision of what the future holds. Because you just saw the future.